If you want to close AnyDesk on your laptop, I'll show you the quickest way to do it safely. And if this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, if AnyDesk is open in a window and you just want to close the app, look for the X icon in the top right corner of the window. Clicking that will close the AnyDesk window immediately. But if you are currently in an active remote session, there is one important step you should do first. Before closing anything, click the red disconnect button to properly end the remote connection. This helps make sure the session ends correctly and avoids leaving the remote connection active. After you disconnect, you can close the AnyDesk window using the X button at the top right. Now, if you want to fully exit AnyDesk from your laptop, not just close the window, go to the taskbar or system tray area near the bottom right of your screen. You may need to click the small arrow to show hidden icons. Find the AnyDesk icon, then right-click it. From the menu that appears, select Quit. This completely closes AnyDesk in the background and stops it from running until you open it again. So to recap, if you only want to close the window, use the X button. If you are in a live remote session, click Disconnect first. And if you want to fully close AnyDesk, right-click the tray icon and choose Quit. That's the easiest way to close AnyDesk on a laptop. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.